Alright guys, in this video I'll show you 3 most uses of RSI and the 3 most powerful trading strategy using by RSI. Before I start, make sure click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. When I'm releasing new content, you will get the notification. Once you're done, let's get started. First, RSI we use to find out overbought and oversold zone. Here you can see this is a Bank Nifty and 15-minute chart, and I'm using here RSI, and I just changed the period to 70 to 30 and another 50. So according to my RSI setup, when price stay above this 70 means price are overbought zone. When price are stay above this overbought zone, we never gonna take any position. Alright, most of the people are entering here short by seeing this overbought or oversold zone, but that is a wrong entry. So exactly I will show you when to enter in this market next 3 most powerful trading strategy. Alright, now here you can see when price stay below this 30 zone, this is oversold zone. So when price stay below this 30, we are recognizing as a oversold zone. Next, RSI as a divergence. So we are using RSI to find out the trend, either they are going to change or trend will continue. Now here we can see we have seen price are creating new higher high and a higher low, but RSI failed to create this higher point. Let me show you an example. Now here you can see that was a higher point and this is another higher point. I just connected 2 higher point. Have you seen it? This is the first higher and the next higher point we have seen. So similarly we have seen when we connect these 2 higher point. Now here you can see this is the higher point and this is the another higher point. Alright, we have seen price are creating new higher high. Here you can see we have seen that was previous high, and the next we have seen they create a new high. When we connect this trend line, they are pointing toward upside. Alright, so similarly when we connect this higher point and the next you can see they are not able to create new high in RSI. Have you seen? They are forming below. So it means that price are right now they are trying to diverge. Alright, so that means they are going to change the trend. And in this zone we have seen price was running in an uptrend. Now RSI are confirming that trend going to change from this area. So when they are forming this type of pattern, we stop buying from this area and we are start selling from this area. So next, RSI as a trend. So basically we use RSI to find out the trend. So here you can see I'm using 14 period. Now I'm gonna change this period 14 to 50. So here I use another level. You can see here that is 50. So means when RSI line above this 50 zone means trend is up. Now, next, here you can see RSI line just cross 50 level and staying below this 50 line means from this area trend are running in a downtrend. This is the 3 most powerful uses of RSI. Let me recap once again. RSI we use to find out overbought and oversold zone. Next, RSI we use to find out the divergence. RSI we use to find out the trend. Now I'll show you 3 most powerful trading strategy. Number 1, RSI and a support and resistance trading strategy. Let me show you in my live chart. Now here we have seen I'm using RSI 14 period for entry and exit. Now first we have seen 2 lower point here and another this one. So I'll draw a trend line by connecting this lower point. Now here you can see I just draw a trend line by connecting this line. Have you seen it? So I drawn like that. Now similarly I wanna connect these 2 lower point in RSI we have seen this one lower point and this is another lower point. Now I'm gonna connect these 2 points. Now here I just connected. Here we have seen in this zone we have seen RSI just broke this trend line, and at that time price was overbought and price are pointing toward downside. Alright, so most of the new traders are doing big mistake. They start selling by seeing only this RSI confirmation. But here you can see in this zone we have seen price not able to break this trend line. So we have seen only one confirmation given by RSI, and similarly we have seen the trend line not able to break in this zone. So that was a fake breakout. Now let me show you what is the right breakout point. So in that case you can see here I wanna connect this lower point, and here you can see I just connected another lower point. Have you seen it? So now you can see I just connected this lower point and this lower point. And at the same time we have seen they broke this trend line, right? Price also broke this trend line, and RSI also just broke this trend line and are running below this 50 level. So that is a sell opportunity. Next, RSI and support and resistance trading strategy. Let me show you in a live chart. Now here we have seen this is a supporting zone. Let me draw a supporting line. Now I just connect this lower point as a support. Here we have seen this that was a lower point and it act as a support. Now here we have seen this is another, they are acting as a resistance line. Now you can see RSI just enter overbought zone, and here we have seen they are pointing toward downside, and here you can see exactly this RSI are entering below 70 zone, and that is a sell opportunity, because exactly RSI entered 70 zone, and when they enter the 70 zone and they fail to break this resistance line, now you can see RSI are just pointing toward downside or entering below 70 zone, and exactly that is a sell opportunity. Next, number 3, trading strategy, RSI and the level 50 breakout trading strategy. Let me show you in our live chart. Here I'm using 2 RSI. One is period 50. This is, you can see here, RSI period 50, and another RS14. Now we are looking for enter after breaking the 50 level. Now here you can see from this area. Now let me draw a vertical line from this area. Now I can see exactly I drawn here. Just a minute. Exactly I drawn here. RSI 50 just broke this 50 level. Have you seen? This is 50 level, and means from this area, and from this area price are running in a downtrend. Now remember, when price enter below this 50 level, we are looking for short only, means trend is running in a downtrend. We will buy or sell now by using only RSI 14 period. By using RSI 14 period. Now here you can see, let me show you exactly when to enter and exit. Now according to our breakout trading strategy, that means we are looking for a breakout. Let me show you. First breakout, we have seen RSI 14 just broke this 50 level, means in this area that is a sell opportunity. Alright, so somewhere here we have seen buy opportunity, but we never gonna take buy because RSI 50 are running below this 50 level. So that is why we are looking for short only. Next, you can see here another breakout for the sell. exactly we have seen there is a sell opportunity. So similarly we have seen next here broke RSI 50 and exactly we have seen there is another sell opportunity. Alright, here we have seen RSI broke this 50 level and this is another sell opportunity. Remember, when RSI 50, this RSI 50, when they are running below this 50 level means we are looking for sell only. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.